Hello, my name is Isaac at County Battery Services. Today I'm going to show you how to clear up an acid spillage. We'll be clearing up the acid without a spill kit. Here's the equipment you'll need. Washing soda, or you could use baking soda. A cup of very hot water. A pair of protective goggles. A pair of protective gloves. A roll of toilet paper or kitchen roll. Something to stir our solution with. In this case, we're going to use a spoon. Firstly, I'm going to put on my personal protective equipment. Pour your soda crystals into your hot water and stir until all the crystals disappear. Now I'm going to do something you should never do, spill the acid on the table. To neutralise the acid, just pour the solution on top of it. When it stops fizzing, you can clear it up with the paper. So now, we're just going to wipe up the mess, make sure it all comes up. The table is nice and dry, and as you can see, there are no effects on the table.
Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like more information, please visit our website www.countybattery.co.uk or call one of our experts on 01623 757 377.